doing?
What are you coming up to me? Why are you coming up to me? Why are you coming up to me asking me what am I doing? Do you know what I'm doing? I'm trying to use the photosensitive light systems.
Don't do it.
Listen, don't tell me don't. I'll do it to whatever I want to.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Are you? No, you're not a police officer. You're just a member of the public.
Come on, come round to...
You're just a member of the public.
Come round to the station.
You're a member of the public. Prove to me you're a police officer. Prove it. You look like Wayne Cousins standing there like that. You're in plainclothes uniform, so what do you expect me to say to you? Wayne?
Alina,
Wayne?
can you get me someone in uniform, please?
Wayne?
Alina, you get me a police officer?
Wayne, what do you expect me to say?
Okay.
What do you expect me to say to you, Wayne?
Just wait there.
No, I'm not going to wait here. Get lost. Don't tell me what to do. What do you mean, where am I going? Going where I want to go.
Where are you going?
I'm going where I want to go. Don't listen. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
For the purpose
Listen.
of the search.
Listen. Do not touch me.
Wait here.
No.
Wait here.
No. Prove that you're a police officer. Don't touch me. I'm standing in the.
Don't push me.
I'll push you. You're a member of the public.
All right, guys. Straight away, this is chaos. No introduction, no identification, just a random guy stepping in, questioning, and escalating. The auditor pushes back hard. Who are you? And that's the key. In plain clothes, you're just another person until proven otherwise. But instead of proving it, this guy goes straight to control. Big mistake. Because when authority skips transparency, suspicion flips instantly.
No, you're not. Like,
look at that.
Don't start with me.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Mate.
Don't call me mate either. Don't call me mate.
Calm down.
You calm down. Get out of my way.
Now this is the first major red flag. The so-called officer refuses to identify himself while getting physical. Think about that. No name, no badge, no explanation, just force. Under proper procedure, that's not how this works. If you don't know your rights, you fold here. But not this guy. He stand his ground, and suddenly, the situation turns from questioning into potential assault.
Get out of my way.
Calm down.
Listen, you come here. This guy's assaulting me. He is assaulting me.
What's going on?
What do you mean you saw him push him? There's cameras up there and I'm making sure I'm getting the camera. He hasn't identified himself. He's a member of the public.
Yes, he's holding his head.
I don't care. He hasn't said who he is. Let go of me. Let's go. Of course he does.
Recording the.
Of course I am. I'm in a public place. Listen, let go of me.
Will you stop
let go of me? If you touch me as well. Who are you? Identify yourself.
I am police officer Paul Veazey, Sergeant Veazey, based at this police station.
So why didn't you identify yourself when I told you to?
Because I asked you what you were doing.
I don't care. You're a member of the public. Until you identify yourself, you're a member of the public. Is he not a member of the public until he identifies himself?
No.
Of course he is. And then he's trying to tell me.
Listen to what he's saying, because he's saying to you at the minute.
Take your bag off, please.
No. No.
Okay, I will take your bag off.
Listen, stop. If he touches me, you know this is lawful.
No, because you're detained for a search.
Under what section? Under what section?
Calm down.
Under what
Stop
section?
grabbing me.
Under what section? Why are you detaining me for a search first? Under what section? Under what section?
Will you stop grabbing me?
Under what section?
Calm down.
Under what section is he stopping me and detaining me? You can do whatever you want to do, but under what section?
Okay.
Until he tells
the one that's detained you.
Tell him. Ask him. Ask him what section.
Right. Take your hand out.
No. Ask him what section.
Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
All right, now more officers step in, and finally, someone identifies themselves. But it's too late. The damage is already done. The question hits hard. Why didn't you identify earlier? Instead of calming things down, they double down. Grab the bag, escalate the pressure, and still no clear legal ground. This isn't control anymore. This is confusion backed by authority.
I'm a terrorist.
Because you are recording police officers' number plates.
Which I can't. No.
Through a gate.
That doesn't. No, listen.
You tell me what you're doing.
He's overstepping his boundaries right now, and he's assaulting me. Constantly assaulting me.
He's told you to section now.
Alright then. Okay. Alright then. I'll relax. Alright then. Wait.
Take your bag off then.
Just wait.
You're saying you relax. Take your bag off.
Alright. Listen. I've got a camera in my hand.
I can
I'm
see
trying
that.
to do.
We've got cameras on us.
Too many things at once.
Let me hold the camera for you.
I'll put the camera here. So it's recording.
It's for one mail search, those sides.
Okay. Search me. I'm lawfully.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Yeah, you.
What are you doing?
You know something? You know something? He's unlawfully searching me and detaining me, right, for no reason whatsoever, because I wouldn't listen to him. Your ego is this big, and I'm going to make sure that that's it. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, I believe my colleague has probably explained to you already the
No, he
grounds for the
hasn't.
search.
No, he hasn't. What's the grounds for the search? Ask him. What? And I can.
But why specifically?
But I can.
You can film what you
Well
like.
then,
Why are you filming inside
if I
the
can
station?
film what I like, which is just what
Why-
you've just
why are you
said,
filming inside the
because
station?
I can lawfully, I'm not doing anything wrong, illegal, nothing.
Is that
No one
suspicious?
showed you were doing it.
Yes, you have. You said you're detaining me under section 43. You're suspecting me of being a terrorist. You're a nutter. That's what you are. No, you can't. No.
Here we go, section 43, terrorism. That's the card they pull. Seriously? Filming near a police area suddenly equals terrorism suspicion? Come on. This is a heavy legal power, not something you throw around to justify shaky decisions. The auditor calls it out immediately. And he's right. If you're using serious laws without solid grounds, it starts looking less like policing, and more like cover.
You got anything on you in your details?
You think I'm going to tell you anything? You're unlawfully searching me. You put your hands on me. You're touching me. You're making me feel ill. Put it in my back pocket where you found it. It was where you found it.
What's your attitude?
What is your attitude? Why are you stopping me from doing a lawful activity? I can film the police
Because
station.
it's very,
Have
very
you seen the
suspicious.
memo? Have you seen the memo? That I should not be stopped filming police, right? This is from the National Police Chief Commissioners. Have you seen that memo? I've got it in my bag. There it is. Yeah, let me show you.
Now watch the language flip. Search first, explain later. That's backwards. If you truly suspect something serious, you lead with facts, not force. The auditor even pulls out official guidance, black and white, clear as day. You can film in public. No permit needed. But do they stop? Nah. At this point, it's not about law anymore. It's about ego trying to stay intact.
Yeah? Terrorism Act, blah blah blah. Let me. Members of the public and the media do not need a permit to film or
Why else do you
photograph
have a permit?
in public places, and police have no power to stop them filming or photographying whatever incidents or police personnel. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm filming police personnel, yeah, and an incident because they were bringing somebody into custody.
I've asked you why.
I don't need to tell you.
Okay.
I don't need to tell you.
But that's going to raise
I
my
don't
suspicion.
need to tell you anything. Right?
Okay. You going to give anyone your details?
I don't need that to do that either.
No, I'm asking.
Well, the answer to you is thank you. You unlawfully touched me, right? And I'm going to make sure. What's your number? All of your numbers.
Sergeant
Yes, so give
Beasley.
us your details.
No, go on. What's your?
Sergeant Beasley.
I'm going to film you. Go on.
636 AW.
Where are you based at?
Here.
3816.
Go on.
Whiskey.
Where are you based?
Hammersmith Station.
I want to stop search now.
Short
You're
numbers
doing
there.
the stop search.
What's your number?
What's your name?
I can't see your number.
What's your name?
I cannot see your number.
There you go.
I can't see it. You don't know if I've got a disability. Please tell me your number.
You're filming it.
Please tell me your number.
1637.
Thank
What's your
you.
name?
It's 3461 PC Gully.
Okay, I want to stop search. I want a CAD for this.
There's one query.
Yeah.
Cancel.
You're a nutter. You can't just come and do stuff like that.
Mate, you're recording.
No, don't
in
call
a
me
police
mate
station
either.
right
I'm not
in
your
the
mate.
front Gate.
I can be here.
You can be here.
Well
but that
then.
doesn't make it not suspicious.
I
Does
don't
it?
care if it's suspicious. I can be here. I'm doing something legal.
And now it turns into a numbers game. Badge numbers, names, accountability. The auditor flips the script. Identify yourselves. Suddenly, the same people demanding compliance are being questioned back. And look how uncomfortable it gets. Because here's the truth. Suspicion alone means nothing without reasonable grounds. You can't just say it looks suspicious and override someone's rights. That's not law, that's guesswork.
Until I
But you
become
haven't.
a criminal, so you think you've got the right to just grab hold of people, twist up my arm. Ah! Look! Look how you've twisted my arm. Did you see you twisted my arm? It hurts. You guys, right, should have said to him, that I'm not doing anything wrong, no matter what. And he didn't tell me why he was detaining me. Yeah, you didn't. You just come along and just jumped on. Oh, he told you. He didn't tell me anything.
Yeah,
Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Under what reason? What? So that means you can just go around, stop people on the street, and tell them Section 43.
Can I tell you something?
Go on then.
If every time I try to talk, you talk over me.
Go on, tell me then. Just tell me. Tell me then. Go on, tell me.
You're talking over me again.
Well, tell me.
That's not how conversation works.
Tell me then.
Okay? So if you want, you can listen to what I have
I am
going to
listen. So just tell me. You don't need to go into all that.
Talking over me.
I'm talking. So tell me.
So as I said, I arrived here. My colleague explained again to you his grounds, okay? And he asked me to assist with the search, which is why I did.
Was I doing anything wrong?
Behaviour is not the same as illegal. That's
Was I doing
all we're
anything
telling
wrong?
you You're doing.
What,
You're not doing
how
anything
suspicious
illegal.
was I? By doing what?
By looking through and filming into a police yard.
Into an open gate that's not blocked off. Yeah. I'm not past the gate. I'm within my rights to be here.
We've been through this
There's
a lot
no
of
suspicion
times.
going on. You just tried to be a bully.
Incredibly
You tried to make
suspicious of you,
escalate
I'd
it,
love to
and
know
you
what
have
you're
it,
doing
and
here.
you have escalated. Do you know what I'm
Love to
doing
know
here? I
your
told you
details.
already.
Yeah.
I'm pointing the camera, and the light sensors and the photons are catching anything that the eye can see. That's what I'm doing now, legally. It's like jokers.
Do you live nearby?
You're a joker.
Do you live in Hammersmith?
You are a joker. And the last thing, the reason why I didn't say anything to you, I'll explain this. You're in plain clothes. You could be anybody.
Yeah.
Right. And because you could be anybody, I don't need to tell you anything. Now, you didn't identify yourself, right? And because you didn't identify yourself and you touched me, you assaulted me, right? In the very beginning. Before you detained me, you assaulted me. Because I said to you, who are you? And you refused to tell me. Now, if that's not being a corrupt police officer, I don't know what is. Because if I ask you who you are, you should have told me. Not try to get me on something which you feel is suspicious. I think you not identifying yourself is very suspicious. What have you got to hide? Huh? What have you got to hide?
It's not a conversation.
What
that's gonna
have you
go
got
anywhere,
to
is it?
hide?
Now it gets personal. The auditor calls it out: force used, arm twisted, no clear justification. And here's the reality. Just because someone challenges you doesn't make them guilty. It makes them aware. The officers try to justify it, but it's weak. Filming through an open gate, standing in public, that's legal. Always has been. This whole situation escalated for no solid reason.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry
not a
about that. It
useful
will go
conversation to
somewhere.
have with you.
It will go somewhere. Why? Because you're hiding things. What are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anything.
Why did you not identify yourself?
I have identified
Why
myself
did you not
to
identify? You didn't.
several times.
None of them. I just want the none.
You refused.
Just-
Okay,
yeah.
no worries.
What did you say?
I've identified myself to you several
What?
times.
After detaining me?
Yes.
After detaining
Yes,
me.
after
Okay,
detaining
cool.
me.
I'm glad you said it after.
Thank you.
Because that's illegal. How can you stop somebody and pull them up and yank them up and then afterwards say that you're detaining them? Without identifying yourself. What have you got to hide? Tell me. Are you one of those 100 or 1,000 police officers that are being vetted and being seeing if you've done anything wrong in your career? Have you done anything wrong in your career? Have you been misogynistic? Huh? Are you part of any WhatsApp groups? Huh? Are you being investigated by the police like IOPC? Is that why you didn't want to identify yourself? In plain clothes, again I state. Yeah? What does the report say? That if I was a lone person and you came up to me, I should phone 999. That's what I should have been doing, is phoning 999.
So you didn't, did you?
Because you assaulted me. Assaulter. That's what you are. You're an assaulter.
Hello. So this one asks for your name. If you're failing to provide, there's no problem at all. Do you wish to provide?
Where's the CAD number on that?
It's here.
And who's the searching officer?
Here.
Who's that?
That's the warrant number.
For him?
Yeah, and that's the name.
What's the name?
BZ.
VZ.
Okay.
Joker. Joker.
Right. There you go. That's your search record.
Joker.
Okay, thank you. Off you go, please.
No, tell me, undetain me.
You are undetained from your search.
Yeah, and next.
And this is where it all unravels. The question flips, what are you hiding? Powerful. Because when officers avoid transparency, they become the suspicious ones. Late identification, inconsistent reasons, weak grounds, and then suddenly, you're free to go. Just like that. No accountability, no apology. Alright guys, this is the lesson, know your rights. Because without that knowledge, this ends very differently.